What are the key advantages of a product owner sharing a well-defined product vision and ensuring everybody understands it properly? Select the top 3 answers. A product vision offers a comprehensive direction, ensuring that sprints deliver significant value. It keeps the Scrum team focused and offers a reference point for their decisions. A product vision is not compulsory in Scrum and it doesn't provide any direct advantages. A product vision helps the Scrum team to commit to completing the remaining work in the product backlog. A product vision enables the sprint review to assess incremental progress effectively. And the answer is, a product vision offers a comprehensive direction, ensuring that sprints deliver significant value. It keeps the Scrum team focused and offers a reference point for their decisions. And a product vision enables the sprint review to assess incremental progress effectively. Okay, so straight away we know 2 are incorrect here, C and D. C, a product vision is not compulsory in Scrum. Well, it is, we know that, so that's definitely a wrong answer. And a product vision helps the Scrum team to commit to completing all the remaining work in the product backlog. That's not correct either. Of course, the goal is to complete the sprint goal, and the goal of the product is to achieve the product goal. This doesn't mean achieving all of the work tasks. Now, the work tasks are probably going to change as we work iteratively, and even during the sprint, working towards the sprint goal, we might find that the tasks either don't need to be done or need to be changed, or there's other tasks that are more of a priority. The focus is on the sprint goal and the product goal, not on making sure all the tasks are complete. Yes, okay, this does go hand in hand a little bit, but the subtlety is the focus is on the goals rather than just completing all the tasks. Remember, it says under the commitment to the sprint goal in the Scrum Guide that if the work turns out to be different than they expected, they collaborate with the product owner to negotiate scope of the sprint backlog within the sprint without affecting the sprint goal. Again, to iterate, the focus is on the sprint goal and work may turn out to be different than they expected. For A, yes, the product vision is the direction and the sprints are there to deliver stepping stones towards that vision, that product goal. The stepping stones of the sprint goals are incremental stepping stones to reach the product vision. For B, it keeps the Scrum team focused and offers a reference point for their decisions. This is correct. They've got the focus on the product goal, and with having a clear vision and understanding what the product goal is, this helps them to make focused decisions that are going to be best for the outcome of achieving that sprint goal and that product goal. If you don't have a clear vision of what you're working towards, how can you be making the right decisions to get to where you need to be if you don't know where you need to be? And for E, a product vision enables the sprint review to assess incremental progress effectively. Again, that's similar to B. If you've got the product vision, you can have a look at your increments during the sprint review and see how you are incrementally progressing towards that product vision.